Okay, guys, welcome to this today tutorial. So today I will show you how to calculate annual maximum rainfall by using R. So we will calculate 1 day maximum rainfall, 2 day maximum rainfall, 3 day maximum rainfall, 4 day maximum rainfall, and 5 day maximum rainfall by using R. So this is for daily rainfall data. So let me share the screen. Okay, let's make this look like this. So yeah, so this is the code that I have used. So the input data, it looks like this. So this is example that we have a daily rainfall data. This is daily rainfall data for GCM projection. We have year, month, and day. So we have daily rainfall data, and then we have this grid point for 100 and then grid point for Johor River Basin. So I have daily rainfall data for each of it from 2020 to 2100. So this is the input data. So now we want to calculate each year how much is the maximum annual maximum rainfall for 1 until 5 days maximum rainfall. So first you uh, install your library D player. This one, library D player. If you don't haven't install it, and then run this library, and then set your working directory. So for example, I want to use this dataset just now, so you can just take your directory address up here and then set your working directory. So let's set this double line here, double, and then run it. So your working directory is here, so our input data will be inside here, and then read our input dataset. For example, I want to read this GCM access ASM15 for SSP 126. So I will run this one. So this is our input dataset just now. And then, so we have year, month, day column just now, right? Then we create a date column for that this dataset. We mutate the data by using this this line of code, so that we will have this. Uh, let's run it. View the data. Okay, you see at the end of the last column, I believe we will have a new date column. We mutate the data so that the date will look like this. You see, from 2020 to 2100. After that, you create a list to store result for each column. So create a list for 1 day maximum rainfall, 2 day maximum rainfall, 3 day maximum rainfall, 4 day maximum rainfall, and 5 day maximum rainfall. And then look to the column because we want to get each grid point from V1 to V109 and to calculate annual maximum consecutive rainfall for each uh, for each column. So we have uh, V1 until V109. So make sure that your input data here is this column name V1 until V109. So this you must change first because this is how I read my data. So save this one. So it's a link, but I still need to read it again because I just changed that data just now. Yeah, here, library, save community data, and then take the data, and then create a list to store for each column, and then we make a loop for each column just now, right? And then we calculate annual maximum rainfall by using this code. So annual maximum 1 day. So this is the code for annual maximum 1 day, the easiest one. And then for 2 days, you must use summarize and mutate data will apply zoo. This is the code that you need to use. I will need put it down here so that everybody can see. So this is for 2-day maximum rainfall. This is the equation. This is 3-day annual maximum rainfall. This is 4-day annual maximum rainfall, and this is for 5-day annual maximum rainfall. And then you store the result in the respective list using this one. So result for this one just now, the result for annual maximum rainfall you put into this respective list where you put this a list to store the result just now. So result for annual 1-day, 2-day, 3-day, 4-day, 5-day will be inserted into each of these lists. So we run this one, run this loop. So it will take just a little bit of your time to calculate all of these indices, maximum rainfall, annual maximum rainfall for 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5 days maximum rainfall. So it takes quite some time because the calculation is for 2020 until 2100, and we have 109 grid points. So you can skip this session a bit forward because it will we will see how long exactly are they. Okay, it's finished. And then after it's finished, we combine the result into one data frame for each of the calculation. So we want to read it as a data frame. This is the important one. And then we add column for maximum consecutive rainfall for each column V1 to 109. And then we print the result. So we have combined result. We print the result here. Okay. Now we have this result. So you can change if this is for example, this one is for this one just now, right? So you can change this is for actually it's 126. Actually it was for 126. So we want to make sure that we have the right name for everything. We can remove this result now. And then we run this one. Okay, run the result. Then you will get the result. Okay, this is 1 day maximum rainfall for each year. And this is maximum 5-day maximum rainfall. See, the result makes sense. 5-day maximum rainfall is higher, about 200, 100 more, almost 200, something like that, between 100 and 200. And 1 day is about close to 150, 30, something like that. And 3 days in between 200, 161. So the results make sense. I think that's all. You can use Discord.